Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1988 Monte Carlo SS. It's got a 400 in it, 4-bolt main. Really rips. Finished in the original color. Sitting on center lines. I don't know if you remember those wheels. Iconic back in the day. T-tops. Original interior. Does have some 90s graphics on it. This car runs great. It's got a custom stereo in it. Added gauges, oil, volts, water. Not perfect, but it runs really good. Got the T-tops right here. Gotta love T-tops, man. This cowl hood, steel. Nice look. Got a show board from back in the day too. It's got a CST chip in it too. 373 Posi Rear. And the graphics and stuff were done by Eddie, along with the stereo way back in the day. Paint's not perfect, but it's also not $1 million. Embroidered SS with a chevron headrest. Runs great. Oh, embroidery right there in the door panel as well. Look like 6-inch rounds. Seats are in great shape. It's got 86,132 miles. Nice clear gauges. Nice oil pressure. Liner's actually in pretty decent shape. Oh, another embroidered situation up there. Visors look great too. Usually they're pretty saggy. Good. There she is. 400 full bolt main. Nice strong motor. Got headers, some braided lines, CSV intake, Edelbrock Carburetor, electronic ignition, chrome hinge mount, chrome hinge hook. Chrome motor mounts. See the freeze out plugs down there. Oh, new starter too. There's the Edelbrock Carburetor. Looks like a 600. Nice cam, real lumpy. Matching spare. Super solid car. You can't beat it for the money. Sounds really nice. Cool guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures on our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.